Now, filing of the petition sets off a busy day period for both parties and the 7 Supreme Court judges.
Well, Brenda Wanga now looks at the timelines in the presidential legal battle, which commences tomorrow.
The clock is ticking for the Azimio One Kenya team to file the presidential petition. The team had earlier indicated that the petition will be filed today, Sunday, but moved the filing to the last day of the constitutionally allowed time, Monday. According to the law, the Azimio team has until 2 p.m. tomorrow to have filed the petition at the Supreme Court, now sitting at Milimani Law Courts.
And we're going to show it wide and open, starting tomorrow.
The filing of that petition will put in motion a series of events that will culminate in the hearing of the third presidential petition in Kenya under the 2010 Constitution. The petitioners, Azimio One Kenya, will within 1 day of filing the petition, that is on Tuesday, 23rd this month, serve the respondents, who then will have 4 days to file their replies, setting the stage for the beginning of the hearing of the petition, which in this case must be heard and determined by the 4th of September. Azimio One Kenya is leaving nothing to chance as it prepares to launch the next phase of the presidential election process.
Kwa sababu ni sina kanzo, wameita mimi na wengine kama Orengo kwenda kuangalia leo usiku, tutie tick. Kama tunatia tick, inaenda court.
Aside from Amos Wako and the newly elected Siaya Governor James Orengo, Azimio's legal team, said to number over 30 lawyers, include Professor Tom Ojenda, Otiende Amolo, Paul Mwangi, Ferozi Nowoji, Philip Murgor, Mutula Kilonzo Jr., and Daniel Maanzo, amongst others. The main respondents in the case, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, is also gearing up to defend its action in the presidential election. In its corner will be a battery of lawyers led by former Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai, assisted by Kamau Karori, Abdikadir Mohamed, Eric Gumbo, Peter Wanyama, Edwin Mukele, amongst others. Kenya Kwanza's, whose victory in the presidential election is being challenged, has also been putting its legal house in order as it awaits the court date. Leading the defense of the election results that was in their favor will be President Uhuru's former lawyer Fred Ngatia and Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi. The two were also in the same camp during the 2017 presidential petition. They are joined by Adrian Kamodho, Nelson Harvey, Collins Kiprono, amongst others. According to sources privy to the Azimio petition, their petition will be based on the discrepancies in the number of votes at the polling stations and the tallying center, as well as questioning the entire election, which they say is a process and not an event. They will also raise issues with the division within the commission that saw 4 commissioners disown the presidential election result. The hearing and conclusion of the petition will pave way for either the swearing in of the President-elect William Ruto within 7 days of the completion of the case, if the election is not nullified, or a repeat election in 60 days if the election is nullified. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV, Nairobi.